Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix single click camera button not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now if the single click of the camera button is not working and if you want to fix this issue, then open settings and tap on camera. Then tap on camera control, and from here if it is on double click, just select single click. And by doing that, you will fix the single click camera button not working issue on your iPhone. But if this did not fix your issue, in the camera control settings, just tap on the section under launch camera and make sure you select camera. After you select camera, then go back and in the main settings page, just tap on accessibility. And from here, you will find the option of camera control. Just tap on it and make sure that camera control is turned on. And by doing that, you will fix the single click camera button not working issue on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix single click camera button not working issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.